everyone, it's Darlene here, and today is my Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for July of 2020, and we'll just get right into this. This is just the base box. It's the one that's $25 a month, and this theme is Boxycharm Sunshine. It's really cute, since we've all been getting so much sun being quarantined, going outside. Like I stay in my yard. But okay, so the first thing that I see inside this box is this Ciaté London. It's an everyday Vacay dewy coconut setting mist. I did use all these products today on my face, and this retails for $22. It smells like coconut. It's really nice smelling. The mist is really fine, so I really like this. It was good. It's really pretty packaging. I like the rose gold on top. And as you can see, I'll go ahead and mist it. It's just like a really fine mist, but it smells really good. It actually smells like their face powder, which I actually forgot I had. So maybe I'll have to use these two together now that I actually remember that I had it. Okay, so that was the first thing. The second thing is this eyeliner, and it's golden rose is the shade, and it's the one that looks like a pizza cutter. You can see, and I actually drew a mark right there. That is the shade. I am wearing it on my eyes today as my eyeliner. It's really pretty. It's really easy to use. It's not actually a color that I probably have ever purchased for myself, and I would never gravitate to this, but I actually liked it, and it's a nice thing to have in my collection. And let me see what the brand is. It's Nudestix. So Nudestix, how much is this? This retails for $26, which seems really high for a liquid eyeliner. I mean, it does not move. I've actually washed some dishes up and it's still there, so that's how good it works. So that's the second thing that I received. The third thing that I received in my box is this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and it retails for $28, and this is like a pigment, like a shimmer powder, and I actually used it as my highlight today on my cheeks. And I liked it. It's really pretty. It seems like really gold. Like the packaging, you would think that it was light, but it's actually gold. I don't know if it has a shade name. Oh, it does. It's 24K Ray. Okay, so I'm thinking that's carrot. I don't know. Yeah, 24K Ray. It's Fairy Balm. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. I did open it up a little bit earlier because I did put it on. Let me go ahead and swatch it. So this is what it looks like. It's really gold. It's like a really gold shade, but it looks really pretty fanned out on top of the skin. It just gives me a really pretty summer glow, which is the theme. So yes, I think that'll look just like so pretty on top of my makeup desk. And like I said, that retails for $28. The next thing that I received in my box is this Lash, and this is actually one of the items that I actually picked. It retails for $59. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I'm actually using new Lash right now, so I don't want to open up a new thing, but I will keep you guys updated how this works. I'm excited about it. I mean, that's awesome that you received that in the box, and you got to choose it because that was $59. I was kind of bummed that I did not get the Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioner, because I've seen some people get that, and I wanted that so bad. Like, that is my favorite smell on the face of this planet. It just smells so good, and it's my all-time favorite. So I'm going to be having to buy that, but I just have so many shampoos right now. So the last thing that I received in this box, and it was actually really poorly wrapped, like this, it was like literally just like thrown in there. Normally it's wrapped really well, but it didn't break, so. And it's by Pure, and it's the Festival palette. It's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and it retails for $36. And and this is what she looks like. Let me go ahead and try to. It has a really nice mirror, which is really big. And these are the shades. I'm actually wearing this shade, and this shade in my crease. This shade like on the outer corner more. And then I'm wearing this shade like in my inner corner. I'm going to wear a blue dress later, so it's really going to look really pretty with that. They are very, very like chunky glitter pigment mixed with like just like a metallic glitter. Like, it's really pretty, and it kind of shifts from green to blue. It's just a really, really pretty color. I do like the look that I created using this palette. Very pigmented. They blend really well. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch like this one. It's VIP Pass. This is the darker glitter. Ooh, that's like black. Ooh, yeah. It's like, it almost has like a greenish undertone though. It's like a black greenish. And then this one's Vibes. It's a really pretty copper. Like, that's like a penny color. Let me go ahead and swatch the, I know you guys are probably wanting this color. This is called Turn It Up. Ooh, that's like really pretty. That's like a Barbie, but you see how pigmented it is. But you can also shear it out by blending it. That's like a really pretty shade. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do this matte shade right here. It's Photo Op. This is a really pretty crease shade. As you can see, this is a really pretty palette, and I'm really happy that I received this. It's not like a palette that I would probably have ever purchased myself, but I do like the look that I created. I'm going to go ahead and add all this up, and I'll be right back to tell you the total value of this month. So the total value of this month's box was $171, which is crazy because, like I said, I spent $25. And yes, I love this box. I think it was a good month. Like, I was kind of bummed that I didn't get this whole de Janeiro shampoo and conditioner, but overall it is still a good box. I got variation number 68. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, so that's a very high variation, but it is what I got. But overall, I am satisfied. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down in the corner below. That way you will be notified every time that I do upload a video. That being said, that completes this video. Bye, God bless.